Hello, welcome to Gorilla Shop. My name is Mike Morse. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you my process for quickly and easily polishing small stainless steel items. So here's what you'll need. A dremel tool with variable speed, some green polishing compound, some red polishing compound, some Mother's mag and aluminum polish, some polishing cloth. I get these individually wrapped so they stay clean and I can just throw them away after I use them. You can get a package of 100 individually wrapped cloths from Amazon for about 13 bucks. I provided a direct link below along with the links for everything else I'm using in this video. I would also highly recommend you getting a flex shaft and a quick change drill chuck if you plan to do a lot of polishing. Okay, now let's turn this dull, machine finished spinner pad into this mirror polished spinner pad. Since this item is relatively smooth, we'll skip the green polishing compound and go straight to the red. I'll talk about the green compound in a minute. Turn ye old Dremel tool on and adjust it low, like 4 or 5. Dip the spinning tip into the red compound. Carefully work the compound into the metal. Get more compound. You really want to work it in there. You don't need to press super hard. Let the Dremel do the work. I polished for around 7 minutes, so let's speed this thing up a bit. After using the green compound for several minutes, wipe it off with a clean, fine microfiber or polishing cloth. You may want to save this cloth for future polishing projects. Seal it in a Ziploc bag and mark it so you'll know it's just to be used for wiping off polishing compound. Grab a fresh polishing cloth and dip it into the Mother's mag and aluminum polish. Rub your metal piece. It's okay to use a little pressure. You want to see your cloth turn black. After a good rub, flip your cloth over and buff the item. You should see a shine coming through. Now you may need to do this several times. It just depends on how polished you want it to be. A mirror polish may take 4 or 5 times. Not too shabby. If you're polishing something a little more rough, like this machine finished pad, you'll need to start with the green compound. Now, not all machine finished items are the same. What looks so cool about a machine finish is the fact that you can actually see the tool path from the end mill or ball end mill used to cut the metal from the CNC machine. Some finishes are smoother than others. This button here is pretty rough, so we will need to basically take off a microscopic layer of metal. This green compound is grittier than the red. I like to use these mounted mandrel felt wheels because they seem to last longer than the screw-on types that come with most Dremel kits. I store them in the polishing cloth packages to keep dust out. I've included a direct link below. So, just like with the red compound, you want to work the green compound into the metal. The goal is to work those micro ridges down so the metal is smooth. After this, you can move on to the red compound. Then polish with the mother's polish, and voila! We have a mirror polished finish. If you like this video, you're most likely going to like the next one. So don't forget to smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out. Thanks for joining me in Gorilla Shop.